Welcome to this 3ds Max tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create quick simple cities using the Greeble plugin. So we'll start off by creating a plane. And then you want to create an edit poly modifier. Just going to press G to turn off the grid. We'll also make sure this plane's divided into 5 segments in each space. Then we'll use the polygon selection tool. We can select some polygons where we want to maybe put some towns or the city. Maybe we'll just put a city right in the middle here with some smaller buildings around the edge. Oops, there we go. And then if you use the Greeble tool, what you can do, instead of generating topology at the start, we'll just create an offset with no height and adding a taper. Add a taper of maybe 10. There we go. And then what you want to do is select the tops and create another Greeble modifier. And this is going to create topology above these different planes that we had selected. So let's say that some of these go to minimum height is 3 meters, maximum height go all the way up to 20. And let's say we wanted to make a setback on these buildings that are going to grow taller. So what you could do is you can do a volume select, and this will create a box for you. If you go to drop down menu Gizmo, you should be able to see the box which is there. Let's make this box much larger to cover the whole plane. There we go. And what you want to do, let's raise it above 18 meters and change its selection to add face. This is going to select all the faces that are within this volume. So if we make this volume a little bit taller, in fact, if we just lift up a little bit higher, maybe it needs to be wider just to get those last few objects. There we go. Now selecting all the roofs. What you can do is you can do another Greeble modifier, and just like earlier, we'll create a roof with no height, object with no height, and an offset, do a 5 meter offset. We'll add one more Greeble modifier. There we go. And this one can go all the way up to 40 meters. And you'll see that we now have our buildings which are taller, like skyscrapers, and smaller buildings as well. This is one way to create a quick city block in 3ds Max.